Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which drive failed and ensuring you have a compatible replacement. Power down only if hot swap is unsupported. Otherwise, keep system live to avoid rebuild delays. Once powered or ready, tag cables, note bay numbers, and take a quick photo of RAID controller settings. Make sure you have recent backup and RAID management tools ready. Open the controller utility to mark the drive as failed if not already. Then remove the failed disk carefully and prepare the new disk for insertion. With the new drive on hand, insert it into the correct bay and confirm the controller recognizes it. In many controllers, you must set the state to online or ready before rebuild. Use the Management GUI or CLI to add the disk to the array. Once the disk is assigned, start the rebuild process and monitor progress. Rebuilds can take hours depending on size and load. Make sure temperature and smart attributes remain normal, and note any controller error messages to address immediately. After rebuild completes, verify array health and force a consistency check to ensure parity and data integrity. Once checks pass, update your inventory and label the replaced disk with date and serial for future reference. If the controller still shows degraded state, try a manual resync or power cycle the controller. Consult logs for mismatched UUIDs or metadata. If problems persist, remove the new drive and test it standalone or swap another known good disk. Remember,
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.